Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, these are some of the important levels that we have drawn for today's intraday trading. You can see that there's a demand zone and there is a supply zone, and then this is the opening price. So opening price is very key today. So you can see Bank Nifty opens just above this candle, this red candle, yesterday's last red candle, and then hits the demand zone and reversed from there, forming a huge rejection, and the wick at the bottom, it goes up. But I was not that confident to take the trade here itself, but I was waiting a recent high to be taken out. So once this recent high was taken out and then forms this bullish confirmation, I have entered about this high somewhere here into this trade, and I was sitting with a very nice profit here. But then once it is retracing back, I averaged with first quantity here as soon as this hammer candle forms just above this golden fib zone, and averaged with the final quantity around this golden fib zone area once price started to sustain in this zone. Okay, this could be my last averaging, and I could have exited if the price is closing below the 61.8% of fib level. Okay, that was the plan. And then so after that price moves very sharply towards the upside, and I exited the trade somewhere here once it moves above the 300 level, thinking that it may retrace back again from the a supply zone here. Okay, so having said that, that was the only trade I did for today, and then I'm done for today. And then you can see that I made a profit of around 2800 in Zerodha, and 20,000 around in done, and overall profit of around 26,000 for the day. Okay, so having said that, let's dive into our live trading session and see how I managed the trades there and what was the psychology and how I did the averaging and learned something from there. Hello everyone, good morning. So Bank Nifty is about to open, just opened. So it opened just above the yesterday's last bearish candle, and trying to right now move towards the demand zone, and so there's a support zone or demand zone around this area below this candle actually. But yeah, we let's observe the price action, and before taking any action. Yeah, so that's a very good bullish confirmation, the first confirmation for Bank Nifty here. But then I'm little hesitating to go long here, and you can see let's wait until the first high is taken out, so maybe then we can plan for a long trade. Yeah, we'll try to mark this high over here, and then try to wait until this high is taken out by Bank Nifty, and then if it starts sustaining above this box over here, then we'll try to go long. So that's the plan. Let's see. And we don't have any short side view for now at least. Bank Nifty is little bit struggling to take out that the high that we have marked on the chart. And then yes, if Bank Nifty is able to break above that level that we have marked and then sustain above, then only we believe that Bank Nifty is strong enough to move further up, right? So based on that, we can initiate a long trade here. Let's see. So let's draw here the fib levels as well. And then if the idea is that if the price is coming down and closing below the 61.8 level, the golden fib level, then that is going to invalidate our long side view. So we are about to get a strong closing above the zone that we have marked. And yeah, so I'll try to add here the initial quantity of 150. Yeah, just bought 150 quantity of 51,100 call here. Yeah, the plan is, let's say for example, since we have bought at the higher levels, kind of a breakout trade, we can maybe expect a little bit of a retrace as well. So what I'll do is I'll try to mark here the fib levels, and my last stop would be below the 61.8 of golden fib level. Okay, so that's the plan. I'll try to average here in between um, 61.8 and then the buy price, the current buy price, right? So that's the plan overall. We'll let you know how this goes on from here. Thank you. We are sitting with a reasonably good profit here, but we can anticipate a very nice move, up move, so that we can hope for a better targets. Let's wait in the trade, and let's see how this goes on from here. I have added 150 more quantity in between. Yeah, once this hammer is formed, yeah, we'll wait and see how this goes on. So the last stop would be below the 61.8 fib level, and anything, let's say if the price starts to retracing back to that level, we'll try to average with the final quantity as well. Let's see. That's a long wait in the trade, and then yeah, so I have averaged with 300 more quantity right at the fib zone, and yeah, let's wait in the trade, and you can see already bank nifty is showing a nice bullish move, and then we'll see how this goes on from here. Thank you. Yeah, we are now seeing a nice rise in the premium as well, and we are kind of back to green now. And so what is the plan at this point of time, and what is the psychology here? So since we have averaged right at the bottom of this a bullish move, so the idea is to reduce the target a bit. So as soon as the bank nifty touches or moves above the 300, I will try to exit the trade there. Okay, so that's the plan for now. We'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. Now I can see we are back to a very reasonably good profit, and then you can see a nice bullish move right from the fib retracement golden zone, right? So that's where we added the last quantity, but then yeah, so staying in the trade is the key, guys. So yeah, so if yeah, not it's not like capture 10 points and then exit out of the trade, and then trade with huge amount of quantity and capture 8 to 10 points. That's not going to work, right? So you will never become profitable so with that kind of an approach. And then it's all about staying in the trade with conviction, and then capturing good points and with good risk to reward, right? So let's stay in the trade, and we'll see how it's gonna work from here. Let's see. So that's a very strong closing, and let me mark here the inverse fair value gap that this candle has created. So to indicate or to be bullish, continue from here. Bank Nifty should not come below and close below this box, the inverse fair value gap here. Okay, that's the idea. As long as this is trading above this inverse fair value gap, so we'll just stay in the trade and try to capture try to capture the points at least bank nifty touches 300, right? We'll stay on. So we didn't worry, looking at the red candle formed, and you can see right now bank nifty is trying to sustain above the zone that we have marked, the inverse fair value gap zone. Okay, so let's stay on. Yeah, that's a sharp up move, guys. So I'll try to exit the trade here. Okay, so all 600 quantity I'll try to exit. We are sitting with a good about 20k of profit right now, and the price also touched 300 and starting to move above 300. But yes, I have exited all 600 quantity in this trade. Okay, so we made a profit of around close to 23,000 in this trade. So that's how you should be managing the trade, guys. So yeah, you should never be in panic until unless your confirmations are working, and then the price action is according to your confirmations or the zones that you have marked, right? So so you should never be in a panic situation to exit with 5 or 10 points of profit, and then start taking too many trades, and that will enforce you to give more brokerage, but you know no profit at the end of the day, right? So having said that, I would say it is a very well managed trade, and with a nice exit at the end, right? As soon as the strong green candle closes, we have exited the trade. Hope you also have enjoyed this trade and learned something from this session, actually, today's session, actually. So with that, we made a profit of around 23,000 in dhan, close to, and then we also made a profit of around 3,000. So overall profit of around 6,000 for the day. But I don't see much of likes from your side, guys. So I need likes, for more encouragement from your side. So I would request all of you to, subscribe if anyone is not subscribed, and then, share this knowledge across your friends and family members so that anybody who is very serious about trading can get benefited out of this learning videos, right? So please subscribe, like, and share the videos so that I can bring in more such learning content in the future. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.